Hiding your number can be useful for many reasons. Maybe you want to call someone without leaving a trace. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly and easily hide your caller ID on your iPhone. Whether you want to stay anonymous or just want more privacy, this option can make your everyday communication easier. Let's get started and find out how. First, on the home screen, you will see the settings icon. Tap on it, and it will take you to the settings menu. Once you're in settings, the next step is to scroll all the way down, and at the bottom of the page, you'll see the apps section. Tap on it. In this section, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Scroll through the list until you find the phone app. When you find it, tap on it. Once you're on the phone app settings page, you'll see a lot of options. The one we're interested in is Show My Caller ID. Scroll down a bit and look for it. Then tap on it. Finally, just tap the switch next to it to turn it off. Once you turn it off, your number won't be shown when making calls, and the person you call won't be able to see your caller ID. Your number will be hidden, and it will show as unknown caller or private number, depending on your carrier. And that's it. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, it would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching. See you very soon.